Now, Keepa dropped a bomb on us a long time ago. It was like 6 months ago, where they said that they were going to start charging for their service. Now, you guys know my opinions on this topic, but even to this day, I still get questions regarding free Keepa alternatives. What can I do to avoid the fee that Keepa charges to still be able to have access to a Keepa graph? Now, a bunch of different options have surfaced since that time. I think Helium 10 has a version of Keepa for certain products. I think Jungle Scout has one as well. And then there's a bunch of other ones that are just kind of smaller versions of Keepa. Now, if you followed me for a long time, then you know my opinions in regards to paying for Keepa. I think it's an absolute must to have for your Amazon FBA business, regardless of what model you're in. But for all of you out there who still want to avoid paying the Keepa fee, this video is going to be for you. I'm going to tell you the one and only true way to get a free Keepa graph. What's going on, everybody? Marvin here. Welcome back to another video. If you guys haven't done so already, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn your post notifications on so you guys don't miss any of my future uploads. Also, give this video a big thumbs up if you guys do enjoy it and find it helpful. And like always, make sure to check down the description. There's a bunch of resources for you guys, free trainings, free Facebook groups, my Instagram, and all that good stuff. So make sure to check the description every single time. All right, so like I said, I'm going to give you the one and only true free way to get a Keepa graph that has the exact same information as Keepa in this video. So we're going to jump into my computer and I'm going to show you everything you need to know. Hey guys, before we go any further, just make sure if you guys are interested in the Wholesale Underground and getting mentored by me, then just make sure you guys watch this video right here so you guys can enter this course giveaway that I'm doing. I'm going to give you my entire mentorship, my entire course, completely for free. All the details are in this video. And now we're getting towards the end of October. I told you guys I would do it at the end. So anybody who purchases the course, the Wholesale Underground, throughout the month of October has a chance to win it completely for free. So if you guys are interested or you have been interested in the past, this is the perfect month to get in because you could get it all completely for free. All right, so like I told you guys in the beginning, I still get a lot of questions regarding free Keepa graphs. Where can I get a free Keepa graph? Are there any free Keepa alternatives? And like I said, guys, I want you to invest in your business. A $17 expense is nothing compared to the amount of money it's going to make you and save you from making either great buying decisions or bad buying decisions. So just invest in yourself, invest in that software, and it's going to pay off in the end. But I still want to answer this question for you guys. So if you guys are looking for a completely free Keepa graph, there's only one place that you can find a legitimate free Keepa graph integrated, and that's going to be InScan Unlimited. So not only is this a scanning software for all of your wholesale products, it's also integrated directly with Keepa. So Keepa is directly integrated with this software. So you can scan a bunch of lists and you can have free access to the Keepa graph. We're going to go into one of my lists, which is right here. And we can see that we have a huge list here, right? So if we hover over here, right here with this little line, it's going to pull up a Keepa graph. And if you can see on the lower right hand corner, it's from the actual Keepa, okay? It's not another kind of makeshift Keepa graph. It's not somebody who just made their own Keepa graph and we don't know how reliable it is. It's a legitimate Keepa graph directly from the Keepa makers, okay guys? But it is limited into what you can see. You can see if Amazon's on it, you can see the new marketplace price, and you can see the sales rank, which is great, right? Obviously, you're not going to have access to everything like you would in this screenshot right here where you have access to, all of these three, but you also have access to everything else. You can see new FBA sellers, new FBM sellers. You can see historical data, which is super valuable. But this is a great way to get a free Keepa graph on top of a software that you already need as well. All right, but we can go a little bit further. All right, so we'll go on this one. All right, guys. So Keepa does a lot. I know I've gone over this in the past, but I'm going to go over it in a little bit more detail for you guys as far as the Keepa goes. So we have 30 days, 90 days, and 365-day charts for whatever product you're looking at. You also have a bunch of sales rank over here. You have the average sales ranks for 30, 90, and 180 days, and the current sales rank. You also have is going to tell you all of the other sellers on the listing. Right now, Amazon must be the only seller on this listing. That's why Amazon is the only one popping up. But then if you scroll down, you also have a profit ROI calculator, which is going to tell you, how much profit you're going to make, sell it for less, or if you're going to sell it for more, you're going to adjust price, and it's going to tell you everything that you need to know before you invest in a product. It's going to tell you the fees, referral fees. So it's a super, super valuable tool that also has the Keepa graph that you're looking for completely for free. I know there's some people that don't want to invest into their business whatsoever, and you guys are going to be like, well, I don't want to invest in Keepa. Why would I invest in this, scanning software? You need to look at your Amazon wholesale business as a real business. There's going to be business expenses, and a scanning software is absolutely 100% necessary, as well as the Keepa graph, a real trustworthy, legitimate Keepa graph. Keepa graph is completely necessary, guys, if you guys want to succeed, if you guys want to turn this into a legitimate business. So hopefully that answers you guys' question. This is a free, legitimate Keepa graph. If you guys want to join Scan Unlimited, it's my favorite scanning software from the other ones that I've tried. My students absolutely love it. I have a lot of students that have come from other scanning softwares, and they love Scan Unlimited just because it's so much faster. You can scan so many more products. Has Keepa, has Profit, has everything, guys. For me, it's my favorite tool I've used as far as scanning softwares go. If you guys want 50% off on Scan Unlimited for your first month, try it out. If you guys don't like it, then you guys can, and after the first month, after you at least got half off, just check down below in the description. I'll have a discount code for you guys. It is my affiliate link, but it's a win-win for both of us. I get my affiliate commission. You guys get, half off of your first month. You guys save a bunch of money. So if you guys want to try it out, I highly recommend it. I can't recommend it enough. It's easily the best software that I've ever used. All right, guys, but there's your free Keepa graph. Again, don't forget to join the October course giveaway, celebrating my 1 year on YouTube. If you guys want the course and the mentorship completely for free, then just make sure you guys watch this video again right here, and I'll even attach that at the end of this video so that you guys can win the course and the mentorship completely for free. I'll see you guys in the next video.
Try to catch me howling at the moon.